It work? Oh, hold on, bro. Hold on. We gotta go, bro. We gotta go. We gotta go. Hold on, turn it. Wait. Oh, this nigga can't copyright me, cuz. What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, better yet, welcome back to another mother lit video. Even though I can't cuss like that, you know, YouTube be tripping. But we back in action. Oh yeah, look. You feel me? Peep the little new crib alert. Quick speed y'all up, man. You know, you guys will not be seeing Miss Parker on the channel no more. Me and her are no longer together. We are done. Still ain't saying her government, bro. We just had to go our separate ways. I'm not gonna get too detailed on that stuff, but you know, like I said, man, we had to go our separate ways, man. But we back in action, straight up. So I want to change up the little vlogs a little bit. So we gonna make this a little bit more entertaining for y'all, man. We're gonna get the uncut scenes. I just start the videos off with, you feel me, us cars swinging and stuff. I'm gonna try to make these videos like y'all been there type ish. And if you missed out, come right here. You're gonna see everything. But I'm not about to do too much talking. We about to get in the car, you feel me, hit people up, go to the meal spot. Oh, real quick, 200 likes for part 2. I'll drop it the next day as soon as y'all see this video, man. We're doing these, we dropping the bangers back to back. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff. I'm out.
Hey, hey. Catch a case, don't snitch, that's man, no. Ride for your click, that's
This spot 3, right? Yes, sir! Back that ass up. I ain't gonna lie, you gonna have to get back up in there, bro. That motherfucker was lit. I gotta check these tires. You done surely popped the other one. Look, he running outside with his shirt on. What's going on, dude? Look, he looking outside his window. These white folks tripping.
Nope.
Hey, what made you guys do that shit right here?
Huh?
Where you guys want to do it at, or what? Yeah, they just. I mean, I'm just saying, like, I'm right across from the school. You know what I'm saying? I've been for like 15 years, and I ain't never seen nobody do that shit right here.
Nah.
Yeah, I'm like, what the? And everybody, I turned in, I was gonna get my kids from the skate rink and shit. And I'm like, what the fuck's going on right here? I'm like, and then a couple of youngsters in this car right here, they're like, they're gonna do a sideshow right here. I'm like, what the fuck? We don't get that right here, bro. Like,
Is it recording? No, we're happening.
hey, this motherfucker's nasty, bro. Man,
Wait, they make YouTube videos? Yeah.
they probably do a lot.
Yeah, y'all about to be famous.
Yeah,
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
that's your chance, big girl. That's your chance.
You know you got your heater on?
Yeah, that's a cool.
Hey, don't smack. Hey, man, we gonna really have to pop clutch you. Talking about boop, 10 points.
Trying to get this little.
These little kids be so fascinated by YouTube. I feel like I done popped a molly. Get your ass out the way.
Here we go.
Oh, that was stupid. Yeah, they was.
My shit.
Alright, nigga. Alright now. Hey man, now that's how you turn up. You know what I'm saying? You had to show you how they do it one time. For the one time. Look, see, big ass parking lot. Damn, bro, you got smoke all in the car and they can't breathe. Damn, nigga, where you you taking me?
Cuts real quick.
You good, fam?
Yeah.